Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to change the keyboard language on your laptop. So let's begin our video. So if you want to change the keyboard language, then what should you do? Just go this here Windows icon, just click and then click on settings. Okay, after that there you can see a option time and languages. Just you need to open it. Okay, after open it you need to go here, there you can see languages. Just click on this languages, and then if you scroll down, then you can see at last there you can see add a language. Just click it and you can select your language. You can select any language from here, or your language you can select from here. Then you can say I just select this, then next, then you need to install it. You need to install it. After install it, there you can see there have every language you installed is showing here. After showing here, you don't do anything here. You just cut it, and then there you can see on this corner language option, there you can see eng English option is showing here. Just click it and every language is showing here. You can select your language from here. You can select your language from here, like Bangla or English, any language from here you already installed. Just select your language, then your keyboard language already changed. So guys, in this way you can change your keyboard language very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.